Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Telugu Allrounder. In today's class, I will explain about the topic Introduction to Algorithms in the subject of Design Analysis and Algorithms. This is my first video. All of you, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Algorithm. What is algorithm? A algorithm is a step-by-step process to solving a problem is called algorithm. It is a step-by-step process solving a problem is called algorithm. It is a called algorithm. Okay. We can also give one more definition is set of instructions that are carried out to solve a problem is called algorithm. Set of instructions that are carried out in order to solve a problem. In order to solve a problem is also called algorithm. Generally, we will discuss, for example, preparing a Maggi. Okay, what are the steps to prepare the Maggi? Okay, when you want to eat Maggi, we need to follow some basic steps. What are the steps? First step is we need to purchase Maggi packet and we have to return back to the home. And what is the third step? Turn on the stove and place the pan. Next one is pour the some water inside the pan. Next step is place or throw Maggi inside the pan. Next step, after 5 to 10 minutes, water boiling, add your Maggi content and also boil 2 to 3 minutes. And next step is after 2 minutes, you have to add Maggi masala inside the pan. Again, you have to boil the content minimum 2 to 5 minutes. In next step, the Maggi is prepared. Okay, these are the steps you have to follow to prepare Maggi. Okay, so these all steps are called algorithm. These all steps are called algorithm. Okay, next, what are the common terms? Common terms in algorithm. Generally, there are three common terms. What are the three common terms is? First one is variables. What is variable? A variable is nothing but it is a memory location. It is memory location which stores only one value. Only one value. It means what? It is a memory location. It can store only one value at a time. Suppose if you want to store another value, the previous data will be overridden. Okay, it can store only one data, only one value. The next common term is data type. What is the meaning of data type? Data type is nothing but it specifies what type of data we are using in programming. What type of data we are using. It means what? It specifies the type of data we are using. The type of data we are using. Okay, you know what is the data types we have? Integer type, float, character, etc. These are the different type of data types. The next one is statement. What is the meaning of statement? Statement is nothing but it is a just line of code. What the meaning of statement means? Set of instructions or line of code is called statements. Line of code is called statements. Next, we will discuss about what is properties of algorithm. Properties of algorithm. Okay, generally every algorithm contains some basic properties. What are the properties we have? The first property is input. What is the meaning of input? The algorithm uses some input data. This input data is called input. This is the input. Okay, here algorithm uses values from a specific set. A specific set. For example, a set of values. For example, it is a set A. Here, A contains some values. If the algorithm using these values, this is the input of the algorithm. Okay, every algorithm must contains zero or more inputs. Zero or more inputs. Okay, next property is output. What is the meaning of output? Based on the input, the algorithm produces the output for every input value. What are the producing? Those what are the producing result is called output. What is the meaning of output means? Based on input values for each input produces output. For each input produces output. Okay, the next property is correctness. What is the meaning of correctionness? Sorry, correctionness. What is the meaning of correctionness means? Here the output is corrective or not. Okay, it will checks the property checks the output is correct or not for each and every input in the defined problem. Okay, here output sorry input is defined for the defined for that output is correct or not. Correct or not. Okay, next property is finiteness. What is the meaning of finiteness means? Here the finiteness, this property checks algorithm giving the output in limited steps or not. Okay, for example, you are solving a problem. Okay, the problem has to give the result in limited steps. Okay, if it is not giving the limited steps, that is not good for that is not a good algorithm. Okay, same here also. When you are solving any problem, it has to give the result in limited steps. Suppose if it is taking large number of steps, then there is a no use of that particular algorithm. Same here also. Finiteness means algorithm produces output after finite or limited number of steps for each input. This is called finiteness. Okay, next one is Determination. What is the meaning of determination? Determination is nothing but after number of steps, result should be guaranteed. Okay, suppose you are solving a problem with a number of steps, but you are going to the steps are going, but the result is not producing. Then there is no use. So here, what is the meaning of determination means after some steps, the every algorithm has to produce the output. That is called determination. After steps, result should be guaranteed. That is called determination. The next property is generality. What is the meaning of generality means procedure following to entire problem or part of a program. Okay, here generality means the procedure, whatever the procedure we are applying, procedure applied to all parts, all the problem, not a specific subset. It has to apply to the all the problem. The last one is program. What is the meaning of program? Program is implementation of the algorithm using any one programming language like C, C++, Java, etc. These all are the properties of the algorithm. What are the properties we have? Input property, output property, correctness, finiteness, determination, generality, program. These all are the properties of the algorithm. Next one. The algorithm can be expressed in different notations. Okay. Generally, every algorithm can be expressed in different notations. Algorithms can be expressed in different notations. What are the different notations you have? The first one is we can write the algorithms in our natural languages. Okay, natural languages. Natural language means what? Our general languages. Okay, next one is pseudo code. We can write algorithms in pseudo code. Okay, next one is flowchart notation. What is the meaning of flowchart notation? Flowchart is nothing but what? Flowchart is nothing but a pictorial representation of the algorithm is called flowchart. What is the meaning of flowchart? Flowchart contains diagrammatic. Okay, this type of diagrams are there in flowcharts. Okay, this is called pictorial representation of the algorithm is called flowchart. The last fourth notation is programming languages. What is the meaning of programming languages? We can also, it means we can write an algorithm in our regular programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, etc. Okay. Okay, this is about today's class. Okay, if you have any doubts in this class, please ask your doubts in comment section. But don't everyone should everyone has to please like and subscribe our Telugu All Rounder YouTube channel for upcoming classes. Okay, thank you everyone.